Okay, sorry about that. Trying to get the camera right. Bought a stand, still having camera problems. Okay, there we go. Okay, so now we're solving problem 4.3b, which says show that contracting all three indices gives epsilon PQR times epsilon PQR equals to 6. So we're going to once again substitute in the epsilon delta identity. Um, I've already written it out here, but just for a reminder, the epsilon delta identity would be epsilon ijk times epsilon imn equals to, I need to go look at the book now, equals to delta jm times delta kn minus delta jn times delta km. And all I've done here is I've substituted. So I've changed ijk in the equation to PQR. I've changed IMN in the equation to PQR again. And so that gives us this substitution over here once you fill it all out. So as before, anything that's if you have repeated indices on a Kronecker delta, so delta QQ, this just becomes equal to the amount of values to the number n terms that the indice is going to take, which is 3, since we have 1, 2, and 3. So delta QQ becomes 3, delta RR becomes 3, minus, and here's the tricky part, this becomes a contraction, and it really doesn't matter which index we cancel into contraction. We can get rid of R or we can get rid of Q. It really doesn't matter. It gives you the same result. For sanity's sake here, I just canceled out the R's and gave myself delta QQ, which equals 3. So now we end up with 9 minus 3. 9 minus 3 is 6. And we have proven that this is true up here.